Welcome back. Before we check out the progress on the bar, I want to see if the guitar store is open. Heck yeah, let's check her out. It looks like our first room is all guitar accessories. This case has an assortment of pedals and wireless gear and looks like pickups for acoustic guitars. Hey, if you want to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow, they got you covered. This is Rob. He's the owner of the store. I actually bought my first Fender Telecaster from this very store, and it's this one that I've played in a few videos. Continue into the next room. I sold a guitar with the same finish, same brand and everything. It's kind of the one that got away. One of the first things I'm really noticing about this place is that I would be more than happy with any of these guitars. Unlike when I go to like a guitar center and it feels like there's one or two good guitars and the rest of them are just leftovers of what people didn't want to buy. Ah, the Dave Grohl guitar. It looks so much better in person. Videos don't do it justice. If you've ever wondered if those guitar case stands work, there you go. They even have stools and a nice little area to play. Whew! Who priced this stool? I'll take two. I'm kidding, that's obviously for a guitar. If you're looking for an amp, looks like they've got you covered. Man, I do not need another acoustic guitar, and other lies I tell myself. Hey, they have a creepy basement too. I wonder what's in there. It's probably actually just full of all the cases for all these guitars. We've got one more main room to check out, so let's go. I don't know, the signs set my expectations pretty high. Wow, this room is something else. You can tell when a shop cares about their gear because they'll have humidifiers, and these are everywhere here. That's why they want you to get assistance. Look at that. That's more than my first car. There's some more really cool amps in here. I've never come across this amp in my life. I wonder what it sounds like. On my way out, this telly caught my eye. That grain is beautiful. The atmosphere in this place is incredible. It's definitely worth checking out. Okay, let's get back to work. There's a lot less plywood on this stage. That's gonna be a good sign. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do I spy speakers? Looks like a pair of dual 18s from JBL. I've used some of the SRX stuff before and it sounded really good. That is a tiny speaker. Let's see what it is. Ah, it's a JBL line array. Looks like a lot of the mess has been cleared out of here. They updated some wiring on this wall, clearly. Let's check out the stage. Look at that. That's where all the plywood went. We now have stairs to actually get up on the stage. It looks like they've used some sort of cloth over part of this, and then the other side is plywood. Now this is exciting. We have trussing, which means the lights will be coming soon. Now this was put on there because this area of town has a really bad vampire problem, and this keeps vampires off the stage. Just kidding, it's going to be an angled lip to hide speakers and cables and such. It'll also prevent people from putting their drinks on the stage. And these two spots under the stage are where they're going to put the dual 18s. A lot of the work done was under the surface, literally. A lot of electrical stuff, so not a lot to show. I did get the question on a video, how is loading gonna work here? And you'll come in through the back alley. Huh. This reminds me of that special, Moses, I think it was. This is the door that you'll be entering in. Now, one drawback is there isn't specific parking for the venue. Some of the businesses next door do have parking, but if you park in there, you will be towed. There is a fairly large parking lot back here, and it has meters in it. But the meters are kind of confusing. They just say 2-hour limit, but they don't say operation hours. No parking on the grass, huh? Judging by all the tire marks, clearly you can do it when there's no grass. Alright, let's walk in through the back door to give you that view. You'll enter into the green room, and then immediately to your left, you'll see the stairs for the stage. Their hope was originally to be going live at the beginning of the month, but with all the problems they've faced, it now has been pushed a month out, which is incredibly common with projects like this. I'd like to thank Rob for letting me film over at Legit Music today. They have some really cool high-end gear, but they also have gear if you're just starting your guitar journey. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to them. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for joining me for this episode of My Friends Have Bought a Bar. We'll see you in the next one.